Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 9 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to delete product. So let's see how can we delete the product. So first of all, inside this product table, let's add here a link for deleting the product. So switch to the project and let's open the admin product component view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, livewire, admin, and from here let's open this one, admin product component.blade.php file. Okay, now here inside this table, after this edit link, let's add here a delete link. So let's create an anchor tag href is equal to hash sign, and also add the class text danger. Okay, and inside this just add here a text delete. Okay, now save the file and let's refresh the page, and you can see here the delete link. Okay, now inside this view file, let's add here a model for confirmation. So go to the categories, admin categories component view file, and from here let's copy this model. So just copy and also copy this JavaScript code. Okay, so select all and select from here to here and just copy and paste here. Okay, now let's call this function from this button, this link. Okay, so add here on link event on click, and let's call this function, and inside this just pass here the product ID. So in double curly bracket dollar product arrow ID. All right, now go to the admin product component class file, app http livewire admin, and from here let's open this one, admin product component.php file, and inside this file let's create a property. So write here public and property name product underscore id. Okay, dollar product underscore id. Now inside this view file, let's change here the property name and write here product underscore id. All right, and now let's create the delete method inside this class. So write here public function and function name delete product. Okay, and inside this function, first of all let's fetch the product according to this product ID. So right here dollar product is equal to model name product colon find, and pass this product ID. So right here dollar this arrow product ID. Okay, and now first of all let's remove this image. Okay, product image. So call here the unlink method. So write here unlink and pass the image path, product image path. So assets slash imgs slash products slash, and concatenate the image field. So write here dollar product arrow image. Okay, and after deleting this image, after deletion this image, just delete the product. So write here product arrow delete. Okay, now inside the session just add the flash message, set the key message, and add the message product has been deleted. Okay, now let's copy this function and go to the view file, and here first of all change the function name, delete product. Okay, and let's change the function name here also, so delete product, and inside this model uh, let's change here the function name, delete product. Okay, now it's done, so save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, now let's delete the product. So let's delete this one, so just click on delete, and you can see here the confirmation dialog box. If I click on cancel, product no deleted. Okay, and now let's click on delete once more time, and this time click on delete, and you can see here product has been deleted. Okay, so in this way you can delete the product. So that's all about deleting the product. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.